The brief from Apple on this project was really, really open. It was essentially to use the iMac Pro and to showcase the power of the machine. As long as we portrayed power, we could create anything that we wanted. The term that we've been referring to this piece is algorithmic architecture. And the gist of that is using modern day tools to create a new genre of architecture that's never been seen before. We start in very close and it's almost real world. There's just a little bit of life and shift happening. Gradually throughout the piece, we get wider and wider until we get to this monolithic wide. The end shot is created through a nodal-based system in Houdini, where essentially we start with very rudimental geometry of windows, banisters, doorways, building blocks. And then through algorithms and code, it turns into something more and more complex and more powerful. For this to be truly impressive, we're not just talking about creating a little building, we need to create whole civilizations here, and it needs to be this organic piece of architecture that grows for eternity. I mean, these scenes we're talking, they've just got thousands and thousands of buildings in them, and that is not an easy thing to render. It's incredibly complex geometry, and the iMac Pro just completely churned through everything with ease.